Pachoka owito kosir mane riwruog no oyudo kowuok kuom kambi Arena of Sports manegeto chiero tuke mag cricket pachoka kochakore dwe mar 11 higani. Komachielo gi yango komiti moyiedhi mabiro kelo kwe kendo keto winjruok e riwruogno.
The board is made up of individuals. The board is an executive board. The board decides the track that they're going to go down. So we'll have a meeting, right? And the board will make a decision on which way to go. So it's not that we don't want cricket. We want people to play cricket. And what's glossy about this whole tournament is the amount of figures that are being bandied about. 200 million, 300 million. I love that. So I love that. It's music to my ears because I have trouble trying to get money. So it sounds good. But is it practical? Is it authentic? Is it real? Victor here is talking about, what did you call them? Match fixers. So you have to look into all that. And the ICC looks into that as well. Right, and decide, are we going with this or are we not going with it? But if you can come up with 200 million and you're genuine, then we'll take you as our sponsor.